Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day, everyone. Okay, this channel is for we just starting, but actually I will be doing an analysis on GBPJPY. This channel is for now we'll be doing analysis, and I believe for intermediate and advanced trader, just my own view on the market. So whatever you have, whatever you want to say, you can. If you have your own, whatever it is that it is, whatever it is that you feel, or if you have a contribution, you can comment. But right now, I'll be going into uh, the market. I'm going into the market. I'm going to analyze this market, and first of all, the my approach to the market is the top-down analysis, and I believe some of you may have known this. And why I use the top-down analysis is first of all to know to the view, to check the view of the market, to know where is the market going to. And right now, if I look at these, I am seeing that this market is currently on a buy trend, and for if you check it on the monthly time frame, you will notice that this market has hit a major resistance, and that is why there is an hold up here, like a delay. And if you look closely, you will know that once there is a break off of this resistance, the market is going over to the next zone, because this is a zone. So I'll be doing my analysis from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Then after the analysis, then we'll go into trade execution. But right now we are doing analysis. So now what I want to do, I'll be drawing my zone, the support and resistance, the key zones. So and also when this for the monthly. So I know now, and right now I know that the market is on a buy trend, but we have hit a major zone. Like there's a resistance here, and if it breaks over, we are continuing. The market is buying to the next zone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to the weekly time frame and plot my key levels, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. Good. Okay. Just a minute. I'm going to be drawing my key levels, what the ones I need at the moment. I know some people might not understand this, and maybe a beginner, but if you want to know more about analyzing, you have to to, you have to go for the knowledge. But this is just analysis. I'm not going for I'm not doing a class, just to analyze the market and let me know your take on the market. Right now, this is a zone, so I'm going to clone this. I'm focusing on the important areas right now. So I don't want to feed these areas with, yeah. This is the weekly, and also on the weekly time frame, because my support and resistance. When I come down to the weekly time frame, I also check for chart patterns, and as you can see, this is a double top, but this is a double top. But I'm going to wait patiently to see if this double top will hold, because if this holds, this market is going to come down. It's going to reverse. But if it doesn't hold, the market is going over here. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. But right now, what I'm saying now is there is either going to be a reverse or a breakover to the next zone. So I'm going to wait patiently. So now I'm going to the daily time frame, because after I draw my key levels, I'm going to go down to daily time frame to see the market clearly, also to to use, because after coming down, I use my support, my resistance, my trend line to know, okay, what is the market saying, how do I get into this market. So right now I'm going down to my daily time frame and zoom into the market to have a proper view of the market. I know. Okay, let me use my full screen. Okay. Right. This is the daily time frame. 1, 2. Okay, good. Here you can see when the market sold, then it's reversed, it came back to test. You can see, then it moved up. Whatever since, you can see this is a daily time frame. It has been buying ever since April. This market has been buying. But right now you can see what I'm trying to say. So this might hold this might hold this market from going over to this next zone. But if it doesn't hold this market is going to reverse and come back first to test this space. First, I'll use my Fibonacci to confirm something. I want to confirm something. Yeah, this is my daily time frame. There's something I want to confirm. Okay, I want to check something. So I use different colors for my for my for my trend line. This is my daily trend line, and I'm going to be using I'm not very good with colors, but this is what I'm using for my daily trend line, because I want to differentiate my daily trend line, my 1 hour, because I enter the trade my trade execution is from 1 hour. So I go down to 4 hours after I've seen the markets to know what exactly is going to happen in this market. Right now I'm going to also use, forgive me, my friends usually say that my chart is war, but I use it to just understand what can happen in the market, because I want to be sure before going to the market. I'm going to see if this market is going to if it's going to reject, if this zone is going to reject it. It's possible for it to come. It is coming to this 0.5 region, and if it breaks below this, we are going to confirm that it's a sell. So now I can, for instance, if this market rejects, I can take a trade, but because if I'm going to take this trade, I'm sure to get out from this trade around this area, because it's not yet confirmed until it breaks this daily. I can also go down to the 4 hours to do some other confirmations, but right now I can see that this market is still buying, but it has hit a major zone. Alright, so what do I do now? I go down to my 4 hours. Go down to my 4 hours. Oh no. Sorry. I go down to my 4 hours. Now I have a wider view of the market. So I just wanted to draw this. So I'm going to take off this Fibonacci. Yes, I will use the Fibonacci on the 4 hours. I know you might not understand. Usually I said this channel, as we grow I will be doing a more detailed explanation. Right now I'm just going through analysis, and I feel it's just majorly the intermediate and the advanced trader that we understand what I'm doing. But if you are a beginner and you wish to have more knowledge, you can buzz me. I will drop some details on how to reach me. So right now what I'm seeing here is, this is what I'm seeing. I'm going to watch this trade closely. I will draw my 4 hours trend line to watch this trade. So if I'm going to go into this market, I'm going to I'll use a blue for the 4 hours. I use red for the 1 hour. Now why I'm drawing this trend line is a safeguard. If this market is going to reverse, it's going to break here, this is a confirmation, then I can sell over or down to this place, this 0.6 or 0.05. At the same time, I'm still going to go to 1 hour. For down, because my 1 hour is my trade execution, because I can enter this market early enough, gain to take a little peep, because this market, if you check this trade, I want to show you something. When you look at this trade, when you look at this trade, this is how the market moves. You check the price action, historical price action, and everything. You see this market when it moved it to this place, it even it, when it retraced down to the 0.5 before going forward, going up. I don't even understand what I'm saying. So why I'm using this is because sometimes if I want to take like a little peep from the market, I just use my Fibonacci to confirm, okay, what is this market going to do? Are this market finished moving? Okay, if this market has finished moving, that means if it's going to retrace, it's going to retrace to this 0.5 before even moving to the next. I get what I'm saying. Sometimes it doesn't do it. It's a 90, or let me say 80-20 thing. Right now you look at this place, you look at it, okay, for instance, and I want to take some pips from this, or I want to wait for, because sometimes majorly before my entries, I wait for